If you were the buyer, what are the 1, 2, or 3 tips you would give those buyers when buying new construction?
So I run into this a lot, especially with a couple of my developers, right? I think first and foremost, it's most importantly how you feel about the space.
Because you might be able to change some of the other stuff.
Exactly. How you feel about the space, I think, is most important. In addition to that, making sure that you feel comfortable with the other agent who works for the developer, right? Like if you have a good rapport with that agent, the list side, at the end of the day, they're the ones who are going to make sure it gets done.
Yeah, you're not going to have nearly any interaction with the developer themselves.
Absolutely zero, right? And then finally, I'd say the most important thing is working with an agent, your agent specifically, who has experience working with new development. Because at the end of the day, you're not buying a finished product. You don't necessarily know what you're going to get exactly. You have some idea based off of floor plans, past projects, but making sure that that agent gives you realistic expectations and manage those expectations for you. Because new construction, as great and nice as it sounds, things do go wrong and people aren't always 100% happy. But at the end of the day, if you have an agent, a great agent who knows what they're doing, you have a good list agent, they're going to make sure that you're happy at the end of the day.